Today's topic is application of Stokes theorem. Okay, so basically, আজকে আমরা নর্থ বেঙ্গল ইউনিভার্সিটির previous year question discuss করব. This question asks in North Bengal University 2021 as well as 2022. So it is a very important example. So this question tells that use Stokes theorem to prove that curl grad phi is equal to 0. And second, divergence of curl f is equal to 0. Take. So first of all, what is Stokes theorem? Just point this. What is Stokes theorem? Stokes theorem states that integration over C, this represents closed curve. That is, আমরা যে কার্ভটা কনসিডার that is closed. ঠিক আছে? That is a closed curve. ঠিক? So integration over C f dot dr. So that equal to double integration over S curl f, that is del cross f dot n ds. So this is the Stokes theorem, right? Integration over C f dot dr is equal to double integration over S del cross f dot n ds. Del cross f means curl f. ঠিক, জাস্ট এই থিওরেমকে আমরা অ্যাপ্লাই করে প্রবলেমটা সলভ করব। ঠিক আছে, সো নোট ডাউন দিস ইজ known as Stokes theorem. Stokes theorem. ঠিক, so integration over C f dot dr is equal to double integration over S del cross f dot n ds. What is S? S be any surface. S be any surface closed by a simple closed curve C. ठीक, so write down. So first solution 1. Let S be any surface. Let S be any surface enclosed by a simple closed curve, C. Then by Stokes theorem, we have just write down, just note down what is Stokes theorem. Just integration over C f dot dr, integration over C f dot dr is equal to double integration over S del cross f dot n ds. এবার আমি f কে কনসিডার করছি, we consider f is equal to del phi. Getting my point? We consider f is equal to del phi. So taking f is equal to del phi. So just you replace f by del phi. Clear? ঠিক? So what we get? দেখো Stokes theoremটা কি? That is integration over C f dot dr is equal to double integration over S curl f, that is del cross f dot n ds. So this can be written in the form double integration over S del cross f dot n ds. So that equal to just double integration over C f dot dr. Getting my point? এবার আমি f কে কনসিডার করছি, we take f is equal to del phi. So just you replace phi by del phi. So what we get? Okay. So that is double integration. So that is double integration over S. Double integration over S del cross F. Del cross. What is F? F means del phi. Del cross del phi. Okay. Dot N ds. So that equal to integration over C f dot dr. What is f? We take f is equal to del phi. So del phi, take dot del phi dot dr. Take. I think up to this clear. So this is the Stokes theorem. So note down this. So আমরা this is Stokes theorem. So just এটাকে এই সাইডে লিখছি আর এই সাইডে এটাকে নোট ডাউন করছি। ঠিক আছে? So double integration over S del cross F is dot nds. So integration over C f dot dr. So now we replace F by del phi. So this equal to, what is del phi? You know del phi is I del phi del x plus j del phi del y plus k del phi del z. ठीक? So integration over C. What is C? C is the closed curve. What is del phi? Del phi is I del phi del x, I del phi del x plus j del phi del y plus k del phi del z dot. What is dr? What is r? R is a position vector. R is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So what is dr? Dr will be, what is dr? Dr will be I dx, ठीक, I dx plus j dy plus k dz, ठीक, okay. So dr, if r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, so dr is I dx plus j dy plus k dz, or dxi plus dyj plus dzk set. So dr, so dr is, so just you replace what is dr. Dr is I dx plus j dy plus k dz. Now you know that I dot I is 1, I dot j is 0, I dot k is 0. So what is this? So that equal to just I dot I is 1. So del phi del x dot dx হবে, I dot j is 0. So just তাহলে আলটিমেটলি কি হবে? জাস্ট এটার সঙ্গে এটা ডট প্রোডাক্ট, এটার সঙ্গে এটা ডট প্রোডাক্ট হবে, এটার সঙ্গে এটা ডট প্রোডাক্ট হবে, ঠিক? কারণ all others I dot j, I dot k, that are all 0. Getting my point? Clear? So that equal to integration over C. So what we get? Del phi del x into dx plus del phi del y into dy plus del phi del z into dz. Okay, just এবার তোমরা total differential just consider করো. What is total difference? df, you know that if f is a function of two variable x and y, then df is del f del x into dx plus del f del y into dy. If f is a function of three variable, so then df is equal to del f del x into dx plus del f del y into dy plus del f del z into dz. দেখো এখানে তোমরা তাই আছে, del phi এখানে কি আছে? এখানে আছে del phi del x into dx plus del phi del y into dy plus del phi del z into dz. So that is, so for this problem, so it will be d phi, right? So this is the total differential. So del phi del x into dx plus del phi del y into dy plus del phi del z into dz. Just this form, del phi del x into dx plus del phi del y into dy plus del phi del z into dz. So that will be d phi. Okay, so this will be d phi. Okay, so that equal to, so So that equal to integration over C d phi. Integration over C d phi. What is C? C is the closed curve. C is the closed curve. This is the closed curve. That is starting point and terminal point should be equal. Take this is the closed curve. এটা কিন্তু closed curve হবে না। ঠিক? So closed curve means starting point and terminal point must be equal. So d phi ke যেহেতু সেটা closed curve, so integration over c d phi that equal to 0. ঠিক? Okay. See, what is the reason? Since C being a closed curve. দেখো ইন্টিগ্রেশন ওভার সি ডি ফাই, দেখো সিটা তো ক্লোজড কার্ভ, যে ডি ফাই কে ইন্টিগ্রেশন করলো তাহলে কি পাবে? সিম্পলিফাই। তাহলে এখানে দেখো এটা সাপোজ ইউ স্টার্ট ফ্রম দি পয়েন্ট এ and it's terminate at a, so that is lower limit to a, upper limit to a, that means 0. So that's why if C is a closed curve, then integration over C d phi is 0. Getting my point? Clear? Okay. So ultimately what we get? So we see that, so we get double integration over S del cross del phi dot n ds is equal to 0. So what we get? So this implies, so what we get, double integration what is del cross del phi, right? Del cross del phi dot n ds is equal to 0. Since this is true for all surface S, so we conclude that, so this implies del cross del phi is equal to 0. ठीक? So right here, so this is true, this is true for all surface. This is true for all surface elements. For all surface elements S, so we have del cross del phi is equal to 0. ठीक? So we have del cross del phi is equal to 0. Del cross del phi, that means curl grad phi. So that is del cross del phi, that means curl grad phi is equal to 0. দেখো curl f, that means del cross f. ঠিক? So curl grad phi, that is del cross grad phi. Grad phi is the scalar function, so grad phi, this is del phi. Grad phi comma del phi represent করতে হবে grad phi, del phi, curl f, that is del cross f. So del cross grad phi, so del cross grad phi, that is curl grad phi. Okay, so we have proved this result. Next, so first part is proved. Now we have to prove that divergence of curl f is equal to 0, where f is a vector field. Now you know that. Next, just what is the definition? What is the Gauss divergence theorem? Just remember this point. Just remember this point. Gauss divergence theorem. Note down this. Gauss divergence theorem. Note down this. Gauss divergence theorem states that triple integration over V is the volume, triple integration over V dot F, del dot F dV, del dot F dV is equal to double integration over S, F dot N, F dot N ds. What is V? V is the volume. That is, here V is volume by a closed surface S. Okay, so now we have to apply Gauss divergence theorem. Okay, clear? So Gauss divergence theorem states that if V be the volume enclosed by a closed surface S, then triple integration over V del cross A del dot F df dv is equal to double integration over S F dot N ds. ठीक, what is V? V is the volume. V is the volume enclosed by a surface S. ठीक, for this problem, we take F is equal to curl F. Okay, so we take F is equal to curl F. Curl F means del cross F. ठीक, just you replace F by curl F. আমরা F কে আমরা কি কনসিডার করব? curl F. So now, so answer 2, that is number 2. Let B, let a volume V be enclosed by a closed surface S. Then by Gauss divergence theorem, or simply this is called divergence theorem. Then by divergence theorem, what do we get? We get just triple integration over V del dot triple integration over V del, ঠিক, ডট আমরা F কে কি কনসিডার করছি? F dot F কে আমরা কি কনসিডার করব? কার্ল F. ঠিক, সো del dot কার্ল F, del dot curl F. Curl F means del cross F. So that equal to double integration over S, curl F dot N ds. ठीक, so that equal to curl F, ठीक, dot curl F dot N ds. Curl F means del cross F. ठीक, okay, so you can write here, that is, so that equal to, so del cross F dot N ds. Getting my point? So that equal to, so you can also write in this form, double integration over S, curl F means del cross F dot N. Yes, ठीक, suppose this is equation 1. Suppose this is equation 1. Up to this clear? So del cross curl F is equal to কি পাচ্ছি? double integration of what is del cross F dot ns in ds. Just you replace F by curl F. Just you replace F by curl F. Okay, এবার আমরা এই S সারফেস কে দুটো পার্টিশনে ডিভাইড করব, সাপোজ S1 and S2. So right here, the closed surface, the closed surface S can be divided divided into two portions, S1 and S2 by means of a closed curve, C. So now we divide the surface S into two portions S1 and S2 by means of closed curve C. So therefore, what we get? So double, that is just this part, double integration over S del cross F dot NDS. So double integration over S del cross F dot NDS. So this is divided into two portions, S1 and S2. So that equal to double integration over S1 del cross F dot NDS plus double integration over S2 del cross F dot NDS. So del cross F dot NDS. देखो हमने Stokes theorem यदि apply करो, just apply Stokes theorem. What is Stokes theorem? That is double integration over S del cross F dot NDS. So that equal to integration over C F dot dr. So this is the Stokes theorem, right? This is the Stokes theorem. Getting my point? So double integration over S del cross F dot NDS. So that equal to integration over C F dot dr. Okay. So what we can write? So that equal to integration over C. That equal to integration over C F dot dr. Getting my point? Minus. Can minus sentence integration over, suppose this is S2, sorry. S can be partitioned into two portions, S1 and S2. So double integration over S1 del cross F dot NDS, double integration over S2 del cross F dot NDS. Okay. So this double integration over S2 del cross F dot NDS just apply karo, plus thak দেখো কেন মাইনাস এর পরে বলছি, double integration over del cross F dot NDS, del cross F dot NDS. So that is integration over CF dot dr. Okay. So that equal to integration over C F dot dr. আমি কি অ্যাপ্লাই করলাম? স্টোকস থিওরেম। এবার I think up to this clear. Just এখানে double integration over S1 del cross F dot NDS. So that is the Stokes theorem. So that is integration over CF dot dr. Double integration over S2. S2 is a surface. S2 is a surface enclosed by the curve C. S1 is a closed surface. S1 is a surface enclosed by the curve C. So double integration over S2 del cross F dot N, del cross F dot NDS. So that is integration over CF dot dr হবে। সেইটাই আমি এখানে অ্যাপ্লাই করছি, ইন্টিগ্রেশন ওভার সি এফ ডট ডি আর। এবার আমি এখানে মাইনাস সাইন কনসিডার করি। হোয়াট ইজ দ্যাট রিজন? কেন মাইনাস সাইন কনসিডার করছি? because negative sign is taken in the second integral, because the positive sense of enclosing C for two surfaces are opposite in character. ঠিক আমরা কি করছি, এস কে আমরা দুটো পার্টিশন ডিভাইড করছি, একটা S1 একটা S2. S1 and S2 are enclosed by the curve C. So these are in opposite in character. Okay, that's why we take negative sign in the second integral. Negative sign in the second integral taken because the positive sense of enclosing by C for two surfaces are opposite in character. Okay, you can write here this point. What is the reason? Because the positive sense of enclosing C for two surfaces are opposite in character. Okay. So here we apply Stokes theorem. So you can write by Stokes theorem. ওকে, আমরা এখানে স্টোক থিওরেম অ্যাপ্লাই করলাম। আলটিমেটলি কি হচ্ছে দেখো, দিস মাইনাস দিস, সো দ্যাট ইকুয়াল টু 0। ঠিক, নেগেটিভ সাইন কেন নিচ্ছি, তার রিজন হচ্ছে এটা। ঠিক, ওকে, সো ইউ ক্যান রাইট দিস হিয়ার। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য রিজন, কেন নেগেটিভ সাইন নিচ্ছি তোমরা সাইডে লিখতেও পারো, বাট এক্সামে না লিখলেও হবে। এখন জাস্ট পয়েন্টার নোটসটা যখন করবে, নো পয়েন্টার লিখে নেবে। নেগেটিভ সাইন ইন দ্য সেকেন্ড ইন্টিগ্রাল taken because the positive sense of inclusion C for two surfaces are opposite in character. ওকে, এই পয়েন্টস কেন নেগেটিভ সাইনটা নিলাম তার কাউন্টটা এখানে নোট ডাউন করে রাখবো। ওকে, the positive sense of including C for two surfaces are opposite in character, so note down this. So pause the video, write this note. Okay, so ultimately what we get, so we get, so therefore what we get, so therefore we get, so from 1 দেখো আমরা কি পাচ্ছি, আমরা পাচ্ছি double integration over s del cross f dot n ds, so that equal to 0. So double integration over s del cross f dot n ds, so that is 0. So that equal to কি পেয়ে গেলাম, 0 পেয়ে গেছি। ঠিক, so that equal to 0. So ultimately কি হবে, triple integration over v del cross curl f, del cross curl f, মানে এখানে del cross curl f ds হবে, del dot v df, sorry, del dot v dv. So please write here dv, and dv dv. Okay, dv del cross del dot f, আমরা f কে কি কনসিডার করছি, what is f, f is curl f, so triple integration over v del dot curl f dv is equal to double integration over s, f কে আমরা কি কনসিডার করছি, curl f, so curl f dot n ds. Okay, so please note here it will be dv del dot f, f means curl f here, we take f is equal to curl f, dv is equal to double integration over s, double integration over s del, sorry, f dot n ds, f means we take here f is curl f means del cross f. Okay, so ultimately we get this equal to 0. So from 1 we get triple integration over v del dot curl f dv is equal to 0. Okay, so from 1, so from 1 right here, from 1 we get triple integration over v, triple integration over v del dot curl f dv, del dot curl f dv, so that equal to 0. What is the reason? Because we have shown that double integration over s del cross f dot n ds is 0. Double integration over s del cross f dot n ds is equal to 0. Clear? Okay. So since this is true for all volume elements v, so we can write del dot curl f is equal to 0. Okay. So right, this is true, this is true for all volume elements v. Okay. So we can write, so we conclude that, so we get del dot curl f is equal to 0. দেখো divergence f, that means, so this is del dot f, divergence is del dot f, curl f, that means del cross f, so curl f, দেখো এটাকে জাস্ট তুমি f যদি কনসিডার করো, del dot f, that is divergence f. ঠিক, এটাকে আমি f যদি কনসিডার করি, সো দিস ইজ ডাইভারজেন্স f, দ্যাট ইজ অ্যাকচুয়ালি দিস ইজ del dot curl f. Curl f means, দেখো এক মিনিট, what is data কি f consider করি, the del dot f that is divergence f, that is divergence f. What is f is curl f, ঠিক, okay, that means divergence of curl f, okay, clear. So this can be also written in the form that is del dot curl f. Del means del dot means that is divergence of curl f, so that equal to 0. Del dot f, that is divergences f. Del cross f, that is curl f. So del dot f, এটাকে just imagine করো, this is f. So del dot f, that is divergence f. So we have proved that divergence of curl f is equal to 0 with the help of Stoke's theorem. Okay, so I think clear. So it is a very, very important example. Okay, I think clear. So thank you so much. Bye.